We have got our bash foundation. Now let's build something real, something you can drop into any project and it just works. Ever clicked a link in your documentation and got hit with a 404 error? Let's fix that. In modern software projects, documentation is a first-class citizen, but even well-written docs can lose credibility if they contain broken or outdated links. This is especially true for Markdown-based documentation used widely across GitHub project, technical blogs, open source libraries, and internal wikis. Yet, link validation is often neglected until after deployment or worse after user complaints. The real problem is that documentation, especially in Markdown, is widely used but often contain broken or outdated links. These links damage credibility and user experience, yet checking them is usually neglected until it's too late. Here is the big question. How can we build an automated, repeatable, and portable system to validate all links in Markdown file without relying on heavyweight tools or complex setup? To be robust and truly useful, the solution should recursively scan all nested folders for Markdown files, be portable across unique system using only Bash and Node.js, integrated easily with CI pipeline like GitHub Actions or Jenkins, be readable and simple enough for any developer to understand. How we are going to solve this problem? We will combine the best of Bash and Python, each doing what it does best. We will use both Bash and Python. So what Bash will be going to do? Bash will handle check if the required tools are installed, discovering all Markdown file across the repo, running the checker on each file, saving the output to a report file, and finally calling Python for deeper analysis. So what Python will do? Python will read the report generated by the bash, parse and separate the broken link from valid ones, summarize the result in a clean readable format, exit with status code so your CI pipeline knows whether to pass or fail. Why use both? Using bash gives us lightweight automation that works almost anywhere. Using Python gives us clarity, flexibility, and precise control over reporting. Together, this combo scales well, integrates cleanly with CI/CD, and keeps your docs into top shape automatically and continuously. In the upcoming videos, we will walk through the implementation details, how to accept CLI argument in Bash, how to treat and interpret the report, how Python flags broken links and generate a link clean summary. And if you are using GitHub Actions, Jenkins or GitLab CI, I will show you exactly how to hook it up all together.